Good morning, everybody, and this is Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So bottom of range at the moment. I wouldn't be buying off here, to be honest. There's too much noise coming through today and tomorrow, so this is going to be kind of a short and sweet setup, and it is basically keep your money in your pocket. So if you have a look at the oscillators here, we are moving very strongly to the downside, but I suspect we're going to have a fake out of this range. There's no support to the left. We'll have to look very far back left to see if there is actually support, but my view at the moment is this is kind of a dangerous setup. You're going to have a lot of people that are long, that their stops are in this zone here. So we do have this big juicy gap here as well, which is more than likely going to be tested. So let's do that. And you'll see that's the zone of support. I suspect we're going to, I don't know if we'll respect it, but anything can happen. But at the moment, I think there's a possibility that we just have a deeper pullback here. Oscillators have eased off quite nicely, so that is a positive sign. And you can see strong moves through the day yesterday, and then we just, after hours, we're just drifting. So I'm not 100% sure I want to be buying off the bottom here at the moment. There is a crossover here. Oscillators have grouped the downside, so there's a lot of bullish and bearish setups here. And then you've got non-farm payrolls tomorrow. You've got a whole host of data today as well, and you've got a host of data tomorrow. And there's been quite a bit of noise in the market, and oil's down, and so I think we're just waiting at the moment. We're just hovering here and waiting. That it looks volatile on the charts, but when you look at the bigger picture, it's not really. It's a 0.6% swing in the market, and what we're finding is up one day, down one day. Well, this one was down 2 days, and then up another day. So S&P is sort of down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So for me at the moment, this is the zone to pay attention to. If we do defend this, we'd want to look for price action above 36,053 for a move back to the top of the range. It's a little bit more structured than what we're seeing on the S&P, but nevertheless, this was, you can see the buyers coming in here trying to push it up, and then they failed dismally and it started falling. And we did get some buyers coming in off the bottom here, which is some profit taking here, and that's of 36,053. And at the moment, we're just like, we're going nowhere. So I would wait this one out, to be honest. But the only index that I can see worth looking for something is on the DAX. It seems to be on its own mission at the moment. The US market's completely confused as to what they're going to be doing. So yeah, I think that's my view for today. Sit on your hands. Don't get involved in this. We need to see this range break, either to the downside or the upside. Doesn't matter which way. It just needs to break so that we know which direction we're going, and then we can jump in on some trades. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.